In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix login on cPanel. When you try to log in on cPanel, you face this problem. Your IP has been changed. Please try in later in something. So how to fix this problem, right? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to solve this problem. First things, you need to go on cPanel. You can see it's already again and again login successful, but maybe it's few seconds it's automatically log out. So how to solve this problem? So go to setting button, then again click on manage and click on manage extension. You can say I install a free VPN GenMeet. Just go to google.com, then type free VPN or VPN GenMeet for Chrome extension. You need to just add your Chrome. You need only few seconds for processing this everything. So just go to extension option, then click on this VPN. Just turn on. You need just turn on this VPN. You can see it's already starting. So now again go on cPanel, then refresh, then trying to log in. I guarantee you are able to log in on your cPanel. So you can see it's login successfully. So this is a method how you can solve this login again and again. Your IP has been changed. Try again later. How to solve this problem. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Bye.